Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a very special drink for you. If you're a fan of The Simpsons or anything like that, you probably know where I'm going. This is none other than the Flaming Moe. Well, not here yet. I'm gonna be teaching you how to make. So, pretty much we're gonna start off just an empty glass, no ice, nothing of the sort. I am gonna be kind of honest with you guys. This drink would actually be way better as a shot, just because there's a lot of liquor in here and just the mint, you know, certain things just make the drink taste better if it was just a shot. It does contain 151 rum, which is highly flammable, and you know, if you have too much of it, it does kind of get a little bit discomforting, you know? You don't want to burp out fire or anything of that sort. Let's get an empty cup, and let's get ready to make this thing. We're gonna go sweetness to a little bit stronger liquor, little by little, right? Just so it can enlighten properly and everything like that. No ice at all, at least not yet. Afterwards, maybe. So, 2 ounces of the strawberry juice, very hard to come by. Bam. Follow it up by Chambord. 2 ounces. So good and so sweet, you know, getting closer to diabetes every day, guys. Boom. Next thing is the Sloe Gin. It doesn't contain any gin of the sort. It's actually vodka with some berries. Just let them rest and boom, creates this wonderful thing. It's also very sweet, but indeed it's very delicious, you guys. 2 ounces. Boom, look at that. Look at that color already. Ooh, beautiful. We were supposed to use brandy, but I had a lot of people out there back in the past that had the name brandy. I didn't like them. And nothing against brandy itself, but I also think cognac, it's a little bit more refined, better tasting. So 2 ounces of this, and yeah, it's gonna add a better flavor to the drink as well. So 2 ounces of cognac. And then, just to add to that little minty flavor, you know, once you have these drinks, you can finally feel your sinuses clearing up a little bit. So, just 3/4 of an ounce of the mint peach schnapps. 3/4 of an ounce, just because I don't want it to be so dominant. Especially since you're making it into a drink. If it was a shot, ooh, I'll make it all equal parts. Who cares? It's gonna go down easy. But it's a drink, no, a little bit of peach schnapps. Gonna follow it up by 151 rum. It's about two spoons of this, so make sure it just layers on top so it can alight properly, ignite. As you can tell, I already had one, so it's not a little tipsy or something. Just at the top. Just try not to drop any. Ooh, there, we're gonna blow up now. There you have it, guys. The Flaming Moe. So beautiful. Obviously, I'm not gonna drink it right now, and you might wanna wait a couple minutes before you actually sip on it because you could get burned, all right, guys? Let's just turn it off. All right, guys, so remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If there's any drink out there you want me to create for you, just let me know, and just make sure you drink just maybe one. I actually gave one of these to my stepdad the other day. He was working on some tile work. Oh man, left him alone for like 20 minutes, came back, his belly was showing, he was out, so out, but be safe, you guys, all right? This is Alejandro from Alejandro the Mixologist. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.